I will pay house rent. Ma, I have evidence here. The little evidence I have here, ma. I will fix bills. I will buy him clothes. Ma, the clothes on him, I bought it. This clothes, everything. But I will never complain. I will never use it against him. He left his house like 5 times. I said I had sex with 5 people. That was what I said. I had sex with 5 people.
In the justice court, this woman was telling the judge that she was the one clothing her husband, buying food for her husband, doing everything for her husband, and even borrowed 500K. She gave to her husband to start up something because the husband was telling her that he is not comfortable the way you have been the only one feeding me, clothing me, doing all these things in the house. So that he needed to start up something for himself. And this woman went and borrowed 500K and gave to this very husband. And at the end of the day, the said husband, they used the whole money for Bet Niger. And they said that the said husband was an addicted Bet Niger person. That is the worst part of it. And again, if you're watching this very video, you will pity this woman because she was very bitter in the court, very, very bitter, and have every evidence to back up all her claims. I don't want to waste your time. Just watch the video.
I will pay house rent. Ma, I have evidence here. The little evidence I have here, ma. I will pay house rent. I will fix bills. I will do everything. I will buy him clothes. Ma, the clothes on him, I bought it. This clothes, his friend used it as wedding. Ma,
your husband.
This man is a liar. This man is a liar. The man was his leg, I bought it. I will do everything. But I will never complain. I will never use it against him. We will buy something like this. Probably I get a home appliances. Anything I buy in the house, he will tell them the name on the receipt should be his name. But I never for once thought of it that maybe he is waiting for a day like this because I don't know, maybe he might bring those receipts that he's the one doing it. Man, it's a lie. His junior brother can testify to it. Even his brothers, they used to give me a code. They used to say it. He used to tell me that his brothers used to say that what this guy is doing, none of our wife can do it. He used to tell me. I left his house like 5 times. Not up to 3-4 days after, I will have come back again. All in the name of, he will call me. He will not call me on normal call. He will call me on WhatsApp call. He will not come because he knows that I cannot record WhatsApp call. He will tell me, I'm coming for my child. I'm coming for my child. You took my child away. Then I will tell him, this girl is too, she's 5 years, she just clocked 5 this December. This girl is too small. I cannot, he will tell me, if you know you don't want me to come and take my daughter away from you, then come back home. I will have no choice than to come back. He used to tell me that anytime he sees me or sees a man that we are together, that he sees anything like fornication, that is going to send me out. Okay. Because anytime I want to leave, is either he threatens me with my daughter, he will tell me Baba Omo Lolomo that he's going to take the child away from. He knows the child is my weakness. That is why he's doing all of this. Then he called me that day. I called him because I thought of it that he used to tell me that if he sees me with any man, he will send me away. Then I was like, I've made attempts to leave this guy. I've made attempts, but anytime I make attempts, he will call me and threaten me again that I'm coming for my child, and he knows this child is my weakness. Okay, what he has always been saying, that if he sees me with any man, he's going to send me away. Then let me just tell him that I fornicated. Maybe he will send me out. Maybe I will have to go away from his life. Then I called him and I told, Ma, is it possible for a woman to have sex with 15 people and call the husband and tell the husband that I have sex with when I'm not mad? Tell him that where is the person he saw us together. He should bring videos of us together. I was the one that told him by myself. I said I had sex with 5 people. That was what I said. I had sex with 5 people. He flare up. I was even thinking that the next thing he would do is to throw my luggage away. That okay, you can go. But the next thing he said, are you not going to do it again? I said I will not do it again. Then he said I should swear with Bible. Then I took the Bible and I swore with it. When it's not something that I'm cuckoo doing, I just swore with the Bible straight. And even he called my daughter inside. My daughter, I was crying. My daughter said, did my daddy beat you again? Because
well, this is a kind of a fragile home. This home is very, very toxic. The way this guy is laughing, I think he must be guilty of all these accusations. Because the way he has been laughing, he doesn't have much to say. That is my own assessment.
If I have secrets, this thing is very, very simple. You will have known. You will have seen people that will have tell you something or this child in particular, man, it's not as if he has any interest in this child. He just wants to use this child to suffer me because he knows that I cannot live without this child. That is it. Sorry. Countless times that after beating me, if this child talks that my daddy, why are you beating my mommy? It will beat the hell out of that girl's life. The hell that it started to affect the girl psychologically. That they called us. You can give him Bible, let him swear to everything that I'm saying that is a lie. They called us in the girls' school. that I have the number, the woman that called us, the teacher. I have it, I can call her. The woman called us that this girl came to school today. She was shaking and she was crying. Then they went to meet her that what is the problem? She just busted into tears. A 4-year-old.
Sorry.
And said, my daddy beat my mommy today. The woman called us, in fairness to God Almighty. The woman called the two of us to the school and said, this thing is affecting this girl psychologically. And people used to tell me in your area that you used to beat your wife. Even if you people want to have any argument or you want to beat, don't do it in front of this child. It's already affecting her. It's affecting her academic.
The truth of the matter is that some men are very stupid. Some men doesn't know how to make use of what they have sometimes. You have a woman that we are able to help you, assist you in one way or the other, and you have the mind to trouble her. At least whatever the issue could be, you two of you dialogue. If this woman is actually contributing in any way, buying things in your name, doing everything, why can't you tolerate her since she doesn't cheat on you, or you cannot have any proof that she cheated on you? Why don't you tolerate her and bring her in and dialogue? Why? Let's continue.
Just most times, during those times, she will be moody. She will not be cheerful. Our teacher called me, our headmistress called me. I have their number here. He will beat me if the child dares to talk. He will beat the hell out of that child's life. The girl alone she can be my witness. She used to say it. My daddy used to beat my mommy. He will beat us and send us out. There was a day after collecting salary. After I collected salary, we went to buy. He said we needed television at home. Then I went to. I said okay, let's go and buy the television. We bought the television. Then the remaining change 20,000. His junior brother had accident last year. He told me that his junior brother needed money. That I should give him the money. I have evidence here. The little evidence I can.
Why are you laughing? This your laughter. This your laughing. You just depend me. Like say you are very guilty of all these accusations. You are beating your wife. You even beat your 4-year-old daughter. You are laughing. You're supposed to go to jail. Honestly, that is my own assessment.
I went to search my OPay that I used to do transfer to him. OPay brought just one year transaction for me. They are there. And I've been doing it for the past 6 years. Then I gave him the money.
I'm going to ask you that all the transfers that she made to your account, like what were they meant for?
Yeah. Thank you, ma. Our agreement on house chore stuff. Our agreement on it is that I work in a filling station. So our transport, she collects 3,000 naira with me every day to our working place. She will come to my office because my office is close to house. She will come there because from my work she will take a bus to our working place. I have a friend there. When she came to me, every day I used to give her 3,000.
I don't. This one, can you explain? Because
which one?
She's responding to you. All those transfer, you can still receive details.
She's my wife. She might want to get something. One and second.
Are you the one transferring this money to her, or she's the one transferring to you?
Ma, if she collects salary, our agreement.
Order! Ask a direct question. The transaction there, are they money entering your account or going from you to her?
Yes, she's coming to me, and I also sent to her.
Yes.
She's my wife.
Okay, let me have it, Aki, please.
She's my wife.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
yes, she can send money to me to get her something. Because
I agree. You see, let me no.
So
I'm not wait. I just want to explain something to you, because the consistency I saw on this
order,
I can see 15,000, 21,250, 5,000 at 5 a.m., 7,500 at 7:29 a.m., 13,950, 30,000, 10, 20, 5, 36, 35, 75, 16, 5, 20, 76. You know, I don't know. I'm just then, okay, 6,000. Okay, who is Sheumayo Wauju?
She introduced me to a cooperative. So that's the guy. The guy is a cooperative.
So this one goes to the cooperative, the 30,000 there. Then 30 to you. Again 10. And so goes, right? This one is not to you. Ojabo food store.
Yes, where I used to send money that will get foodstuffs.
Who is Oladimeji Joshua? Akinwumi?
That's the landlord. The landlady's son that I transferred the house rent to.
Wow.
Then I can see Who attends Botsun private school?
My daughter. That's the only receipt that I have with me. The remaining ones, I used to send it to him. He would tell me that everything should be written in his name. Receipt for the school, the child's school fees, everything should be in his name.
Who is Alobo Emmanuel Idoko?
That is where I used to collect my daily transport fare. That he said he used to give me 3,000 every day.
3,000. That one consistent.
I used to collect, yes, the POS man that I used to collect money from every day. My transport fare that he said he used to give me.
Another 15 to you, 25 to 55,075. Then this 46,000 to who is Esther Omowumi Adiago?
She's here, ma. I'm also coming to that because when he was jobless, ma, that he had no job, and I've looked for like 4 or 5 jobs for him. They sacked him. Then he told me that he has a business idea that I should help him collect loan.
Okay.
That so that he can start business. That maybe his head does not want to work under someone. That's why they are sacking him. Whereas that's not the reason, ma. Is it that he fronts a customer or steal a customer's money? If I don't just want to be saying nasty things here. Yes, I don't want to be saying.
You don't have the proof here.
Yes, but that is the main reason.
And you can't prove it.
Yes, I understand. But that's they've always been sacking him. So he said I should collect loan for him. Then I went to collect loan from these 2 women for him. I collected loan of roughly 500,000.
Wow.
For him. Ma, he took the first half to a Bet Naija shop.
Okay.
And he used everything on Bet Naija. His brother knows he's a Bet Naija addict. There was a time they almost killed him because of Bet Naija. His brother knows. You can give him Bible to swear. The second half, he said he was going in Ikeja. And all these people that used to manipulate that they would turn 500 to 1,000, that they called him. And they actually told him to bring the money with him, that they are going to multiply it. Ma, I did not know at first. When I gave him the 500,000, he told me, he called me on video call.
Now, wow. So, a guy, you as a guy, you are lucky to have a woman like this, and you are treating her like a rag. You are treating her like a rag. Oh my God, you might not even see this kind of opportunity again in your entire life. Let's continue.
Blood on his head. He said they stole the money from him, that they robbed him. I was rushing from my work. I came home to meet him. We treated the wound for days. After a year, he just woke me up in the middle of the night. He said he's having guilty conscience. That the money that I went to take, because this money he cannot take it as a man. They said he should go and bring a woman. That this money, that he's very sorry that the first half that he used it for Bet Naija, that he lied that they robbed him. That the second half, he said that somebody took it and ran away. That nobody took it and ran away. That he was going along Ikeja, and all these people that used to do magic, that they told him that he should bring the money with him. You can give him Bible to swear. That those people now told him that he should bring the money with him, and he gave them. And immediately they started showing him knife and dagger, that he should go away from this place. That was how the money went. Till today, ma, I'm still paying the debts. There's one there, 46,000. Esther, she's Esther Omowumi. And she side that I have the transfers. I have the transfer I did to her. Till today, I'm still paying it. Ma, the phone in his hand. The phone in his hand.
The Infinix.
Yes, Infinix Hot. I got it for him on credit, and he did not pay.
Issues on ground. As far as I'm concerned, there is nothing you want to say as a plaintiff, is there? No, nothing. That's why I decided to take the case in one. But for the record purpose, you both sued each other. Do you understand me? We're talking about access to the daughter, custody to the daughter, and the paternity of the baby she's carrying. Right? That's what you are saying. I'll put that aside. Why did you stop living together?
Okay. After I told him that I opened up to him, that I said I had sex with 5 people, I was thinking that he would send me out. Then he told me that he's not going to send me out, that we should just tie it down like that no problem.
When was this?
That was last year. I told him. And I did it on purpose. So, after a few months, he just walked up to me and told me that he doesn't like the way I'm the one feeding him. Does not like the way I'm the one doing everything in the house. That I need to go for some time. Then I was like, I'm not complaining. Every receipt in this house carries your name, even though I'm the one doing it. I'm not complaining. He said, no, I should just go. Then I called my mom. I told my mom that, Ma, He said I should be going away from your house. The first thing my mom said, in fairness to God Almighty, is that, and that is your business. Because all the families are tired. In fact, this man that used to run to every time, he's tired. They said they don't want to have anything to do with our family again, the way he used to.
I wish they are taking that stand from day one.
Ma?
I wish they are taking that stand from day one. Because there have been so many narratives of external influence in your relationship. If you are not matured enough to bring children into the world, please don't. It takes a lot of responsibility.
After I left his house, I was at my mom's house. That he told me that because he wants to know why I'm the one feeding him, that we should go our separate ways. So I was with my mom. When I was at my mom's place, I told him, I said, everywhere I went to, they told us that we are not compatible, which is the truth. So you go your way, I go my way. That was what I told him. Then I moved on. I was dating another man. Immediately, he saw me one day that my belly was shooting out. Then he called me again. He said, you think you can move on, Abi? You cannot move on, no, madam, you cannot move on. It's a do or die. If you know you want to move on, bring my daughter back. Then I was like, this girl is too small. He said, that's none of his business. I should bring the child back. I said, okay, let us settle this thing amicably. We are adults. He said, no, bring my daughter back if you know you want to move on. I said, boy, do you know that this is you've always been threatening me right from time. Now I had the courage to move on. Now you are still threatening me. I said, bring my daughter back. Then I said, okay. He said, the only option is for me to come back to his house. Then I told him, I said, I've moved on with another man. And in fact, I'm pregnant for this man. Then the next thing he said is that go for an abortion, which I did. God is my witness. I went to abort this baby 3 different places.
Does it mean that this guy has something in his mind that he's using to control you? Does it mean that this guy has something he's using to control you? I don't know. Let's just continue.
He told me that I could not, that it was risky. Then I called him and I told him. I said, everywhere I went to, they told me that this pregnancy is risky to abort. Then immediately I broke up with this new person I was dating. I broke up with him. In fact, this guy he did not know what he actually did wrong, why I broke up with him. That's why his sister messaged me. I told him, I said, I went back to his house.
I want to summarize because I know what is written here. You submitted that you went there.
Yes.
And came back to him.
Yes.
Then you started facing the same difficulties you had earlier on. Yes. And that made you to tell your mom to beg the other guy.
Yes.
So that he will accept you back.
Yes.
And he took you back.
Yes.
So you went back to him again. Yes. That is it. That's the summary.
Yes, ma'am.
Then there is something I noticed here. You said the child has been injured in the past.
The child have been
injured.
No, I was not that.
The other one.
Yes.
With evidence of marks on her body.
On her body, yes.
Due to domestic violence.
Yes.
Do you have anything to back this up?
Ma, I did not bring the child. They told me
the mark is still on her body.
It's still on her body. It's still on her back.
The 2 of you, you've moved on. Yes. And you have moved on. We're not talking about you coming back together. Oh. And there's clarity as to the pregnancy.
Yes.
So the baby is not yours. She said it in the open court.
Yes.
That baby is not yours. Now we're talking about your daughter.
That's my.
You went back to him, you're already pregnant.
Yes, he knows.
Is that true?
Yeah, she told me the day she was begging me that she wants to come back, that she's already pregnant, and the pregnancy was September.
So there's no need for this.
Yeah.
So that pregnancy, there's no controversy as to the pregnancy. Or
are you challenged? Yes.
Are you challenged that there's probably that baby is yours?
Yes, yes.
You are?
Yes, yes.
That's your stand?
Yeah?
Is that your stand?
That's my stand, yeah.
That there's probably that this baby is yours?
Yeah, very, very.
Ma, I told him, if the baby is born, he should come around the paternity test.
You know what will happen?
Yes, ma'am.
Once, God will give you safe delivery.
Amen.
Amen.
When that child is out, we run paternity test on that. It's the best way to put that to rest forever, once and for all.
Yes.
You do that one. We've crossed that one. Any other thing?
The only issue I have here with all this thing that happened here is that I don't think that this guy is even having remorse at all, or even know or understand what he's doing at all. Because of what? The way he is laughing. You were lucky to have a lady that were there for you, a lady that were there for you in this kind of country we are into, that is assisting you, buying things, helping you in paying house rent, and you still have that mind to treat that very person as if he's a child or he's an outcast. And what sort of it is that this guy will be just laughing like he's somebody that has injury in his brain. That is my own concern here. I'm not comfortable with the manner that this boy. Okay, you know too well this man, your wife or your ex-wife was telling you or said or even told you before he came to your house, before he came back to your house, that he was pregnant for another man. And at the end of the day, you even persuade her to come back to your house with that pregnancy, and at the end of the day, you begin to request for paternity test. The only reason why, if I was the one that is presiding over this very issue, you as a guy or the person that is claiming that this child belongs to you or this very pregnancy belongs to you, you will bring 80%, then court will bring 20%. That is how I would do it, so that because I think that you are beginning to take advantage of the whole thing because of how Judge Fumi is handling the matter. That is it. I'm not comfortable at all. But what would I say? I don't know what you might think. Just drop your own opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to share the video. Thank you for watching.